Reed Corp has set the following standard direct materials and direct labor costs per unit for the product it manufactures. During June, the company incurred the following actual costs to produce 2,000 units. Compute the direct materials price and quantity variances. The actual cost of direct materials is equal to the actual quantity used multiplied by the actual price per pound. Work in process is valued at the total standard cost of raw materials, the standard quantity to be used multiplied by the standard price per pound. We always standardize the pricing first. 6,400 actual pounds used at an actual price of $5.70 per pound is a total actual cost of raw materials of $36,480. Had the 6,400 pounds been acquired at the standard price of $6 per pound, the total cost would have been $38,400. The difference between the actual quantity at the actual price and the actual quantity at the standard price is a $1,920 direct materials price variance. This variance is favorable, as the actual price was less than standard. The company paid 30 cents less per pound for each of the 6,400 pounds purchased and used. The standard quantity of materials is 6,000 pounds. Each of the 2,000 units is budgeted to use 3 pounds of direct materials. 6,000 standard pounds at a standard price of $6 per pound is a total standard cost of $36,000. The difference between the actual quantity at the standard price and the standard quantity at the standard price is a direct materials quantity variance of $2,400. This variance is unfavorable, as the actual quantity was more than budgeted. 400 pounds more than budget at a cost of $6 per pound. Because the total actual costs, $36,480, are more than the total standard cost, $36,000, the total direct materials variance, $480, is unfavorable. The total cost of direct labor is equal to the actual hours used multiplied by the actual rate per hour. Work in process is valued at the total standard cost of direct labor, the standard number of direct labor hours multiplied by the standard rate per hour. We always standardize the rate first and then the usage. 10,000 actual hours used at an actual rate of $12.40 per hour is a total actual cost of direct labor of $124,000. Had the 10,000 hours been acquired at the standard rate of $12 per hour, the total cost would have been $120,000. The difference between the actual hours at the actual rate and the actual hours at the standard rate is a $4,000 direct labor rate variance. This variance is unfavorable, as the actual rate was higher than standard. The company paid 40 cents more per hour for each of the 10,000 hours used. The standard quantity of labor is 8,000 direct labor hours. Each of the 2,000 units was budgeted to use 4 hours of direct labor. 8,000 standard hours at a standard rate of $12 per hour is a total standard cost of $96,000. The difference between the actual quantity at the standard rate and the standard quantity at the standard rate is a direct labor efficiency variance of $24,000. This variance is unfavorable, as the actual hours were more than budgeted, 2,000 additional hours at a rate of $12 per hour. Because the total actual costs, $124,000, are more than the total standard cost, $96,000, the total direct labor variance, $28,000, is unfavorable.